What's up? Welcome to the class. This is a week one video tutorial. This one's going to be kind of a short one. First things first, I just wanted to kind of show you guys the HTML editor that I'll be using throughout these tutorials. If you'd like to go download Brackets, it's brackets.io. That's what I'm going to be using. So what we're going to go over this week is just some very basic things for HTML and CSS, just to make sure everybody's up to speed before we jump into kind of some more advanced topics. So I'm going to go ahead and launch this in a live preview. So this week's topics, all we have to really cover here is just review some HTML and CSS, and then just kind of review the idea of doing div tags. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and jump in and do. All right, first things first, just using brackets. If you've never used this before, I'm just going to do File New to make a new HTML document. Now I'll save that out into index.html file and launch it as a live preview. So basic stuff, just making sure everybody remembers the basics. Your simple tags, your HTML tags, your open and close tags are your starter tags. I'm going to go ahead and save this out into a HTML document, so brackets will start to autocomplete the things that I've got going on here. So I'm just going to save this into a folder, Web2 folder here, and this is going to be a week one. That's the way I'd save your folders. If I'd recommend a folder structure, something very simple like this. Always remember basic stuff here. Index.html is the default name of any file you're going to use as the first homepage file of your website. Remember, some servers won't catch if you don't put index as a lowercase I, do HTML, those kind of little things. Hopefully somebody in your original web class talked to you about that. So save it in there, and now all of my bracket stuff starts to light up. The auto-completes will start to happen here. So let's fill in some of our other tags. Remember, secondary tags are going to be like the head tag. You're going to want a head tag open and close in your document. Inside the head tag, you have a title. Always add a title tag. Next is going to be the most crucial tag, body tag. So the body tag, remember, is where the majority of your document is going to be constructed inside the body. So there's your basic HTML, CSS tags. I'm going to save that. Remember, nothing really happens till I launch this in a browser window, but we're going to add some content here so we can actually see what we're doing. So little things that hopefully, just to remind you, titles of your page, right? You just put the title page here, and that'll flag up top in your tab of your web page whenever we run this. The body tag of your page, that's where your content goes, is in that section. So don't forget that. All right, so let's go ahead and save this, and I'm going to live preview just to make sure I didn't do something wrong. So let's hit live preview. And it should launch in browser window, and there we go. We've got the title tag up top here. It says home page, and we have a text and images block here.